Hello friends, good day. Welcome to Free to Learn section. Last week I bought this Solrain bit from Amazon. The brand name is No.1 brand marketed by DZK. Okay, this is a Solrain bit. Why I choose this Solrain bit, I will tell you in detail in this video. Okay, here the specification was mentioned. You can see this is a brand name is DZK, and it is a 60 wattage iron bit. Okay, it's look good. Let's open the box. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's good. Then we have opened. I already mentioned why I choose this Solrain bit. I will tell you in detail. They are given 1 2 3 4 5 iron bits, free iron bits. Why I choose this Solrain bit, I will tell you in detail. Here it has, you can see, okay, it has a variable adjusting voltage, okay, point, so we can adjust till 450 degrees centigrade, from 200 to 450 degrees centigrade. Usually the solder iron, the melting point of iron lead is usually for rework or yeah, it should be 320 270 to 320 degrees centigrade is required. Okay, then let's see. Let's look good. It comes with the proper one. Yeah, then let's see about this Solrain bit. Here I mentioned what are the bits they have given to us. Okay, total 5 bits available. This one is a K-type bit, so mostly this one we use for IC soldering. Okay, and this is a B-type bit. This is a B-type bit. Okay, we can use for we can use this kind of a bit for through hole devices, through hole components. This is a P-type bit, pointing bit we can call it as. In SMT also, SMT solder we can use this. And this one is S-type bit, screw type. You can see the like a screw type is there. So this is S-type bit, and this one also we can use for soldering both SMT and through hole components. Then this is a C-type bit. Okay, this is a C-type bit. They have given 5 solder bit with this solder iron, and also I add another one solder bit over here. That's a good. The most why I choose, I mentioned to you, there is a voltage adjusting matrix available with this solder iron, so that's good. So in next video I will show you how we going to solder these SMT components. Okay, these ICs and these SMT components, resistor, capacitors and transistors. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching a Free to Learn section. We'll see you in next video.